Good morning, friends, family, and loved ones. Divine Wisdom here. Thanks for following. Okay. I don't know. It's actually afternoon. About 12:40 p.m. on the 16th of May. I guess I'm at my limit for uploading my YouTube stuff, so I have to go back and do it again later. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well today. I hope that everybody got a good night rest last night like I did. I don't know about you guys, but getting some good sleep is always good. I love sleep. It's just like the best thing. Man, it really energizes you, makes you feel good. Your cells are rejuvenating as you're sleeping. I don't know if you're aware of that. I'm burning some white sage right now. But yeah, as you're sleeping, your like whole being, all of your cells in your body are like re-energized, basically, like in a sense. Plus, you get the downloads from your spirit guides and ascended masters and stuff like that too. I just burned a bay leaf. I'm gonna probably be burning some stuff throughout. We'll see how this goes. I'm gonna cleanse this space with some sounds as well for our root and sacral chakras. Okay. All right. I'm going to talk about a couple different things today. I've posted some stuff already about Ophelia. The angel number 545, the angel number 606. And then what is the law of the land? What is the meaning of the rule of the land? The Bill of Rights. Pumpkin, what it symbolizes, and black pumpkin. Okay. Before I begin, I just want you to give thanks, okay, to all of the tarot readers out there. There's a lot of good tarot readers out there. I'm going to actually mention a few right now. There's a lot of good tarot readers out there. They give messages and they get their own messages in many ways. But I want you to understand that every one of these readers have a message to give, and we should be working with each other. You know, we all have messages to give to each other, you know. Every single tarot reader that I have posted on my site is part of bringing this case together that's going to be coming to light, you know, and it's going to be in the public eye soon. Like I said, there's going to be judges, police officials involved in going to prison. A lot of them are going to die for, some of them are going to just die. The people that are involved and stuff. But the main ones are really going to get prison time. And they're going to really get it, as it should be. Because they are the ones that really should know. And a lot of these readers, like Essential Healer, she's actually named some in Florida that these are different states. This isn't only California. This is all over. This is going to be national, okay? But she mentioned certain names and stuff. She's very good at what she does. Essential Healer. If you haven't seen or heard of her, please check her out, okay? Sublunar Intuition. He's the one that I got. a lot of information about the three, what are the three fates, all of this information. What is it? I'm finding out information from what he's giving me. He's very intelligent. I think he's in his 20s. He is so intelligent. He's trans. He's a male, but he likes to dress. He is so beautiful. His every being is amazing. But I just recently got something about what is the law of the land, and it led me into further research. So thank you for that. I love you. By the way, he apparently does meditation music that he makes. Please check out his site. He does amazing meditation music. Intuitive Kev, he's amazing. He brings really great messages. He does it from love. He really does it. He makes it funny too. You know, he sells bracelets and bath salts. He makes his own bath salts. That is really, please go check out his site, okay? He's really uplifting the world in a positive way. Anya's Tarot, please check her out. She's the one that actually she's the one that I was thinking of. That I couldn't remember. She's the one that told me about the cleansing of the space, the walls, the salts, the cleansing of the mirrors. That's who I learned that from. Okay, she's very intelligent and wise. Okay. I think that she has paintings for sale because I've seen some of her paintings behind her. She's so cute. And all of these people are amazing people. I think that she sells other things too. I believe. I don't know if they're I don't know if there's bracelets and stuff, but I know that she has other things that she sells, so please check her out. They all have services also. They all have services. Divine Tarot is where straight from the Divine Tarot is where I got the Ophelia reference, and that's what led me into all of this too. Okay. So she's really good. The Straight from the Divine Tarot. Oh my gosh. She is so good at channeling and putting the pieces together. She's very good at her reads. So is what is it? Artisha 5D. I can't I think it's Artesia 5D. I'm going to have to look up the name again. But she's really good. She does a lot of symbol reads. I love that she does the symbol readings a lot. Like the signs and the symbols of alchemy symbols. Super cool. I love her whole being. I love that I could hear the chickens in the background and the dogs barking. Her little doggies are so fucking cute. All of them. The little guy and the bigger guy. Oh my God, he's so cute. Oh, I always hear the chickens in the background. And then, you know, most of these people play meditation music in the background too, which is, I love. Right now I really can't, but I wish I could. Shavi Zane, Chhavi Zane Tarot. She's very great. She's the one that does all of the decorations and more. She's such a talented priestess. She's the one that has helped me with the declarations in flesh, in spirit, in sleep and awakened state across all timelines, realms, and dimensions, known and unknown. Whatever the declaration may be. If it's hers or one that I'm going to declare, I will attach that to the end of everything from now on. Thank you, Shavi. Keep doing the good work. Okay, you are such a good person. Okay. All of these tarot readers are the ones that are going to be helping getting these prisoners out of jail. There's going to be at least 300 or plus prisoners out of jail once these judges go down. Okay. All right, I'm going to start now. Okay. Ophelia. Thank you to all of you, by the way. You guys are a part of this. You're a part of history. You readers are the one that made this case happen. Okay. Okay. Ophelia. Who is she and why is her death so important? Ophelia is a character from William Shakespeare's play, Hamlet. She's a daughter of Polonius and the love interest of Hamlet. In the play, Ophelia goes mad after her father's death and ultimately drowns herself in a river. Oh my God, I think I need to mention that towards the end. Thank you. Pardon me. I wanted to mention one more thing because of that. You know, another really great reader is My Queen's Eye. My Queen's Eye, she is something fucking else, man. And I started listening to her 2 years ago. Some of these people I stopped listening to and I started listening to again. She's amazing. And she's the one where I got What is Angela in Power and What Has Happened to Angela, which is, I guess, season 6. It's about, it's a show, I guess. But Angela is a Latina federal agent that was caught in a crossfire and took a bullet for her lover, Ghost. And she was mistakenly murdered by Tony Egan after Egan found out that Ghost was working with Valdez, who's the Latina prosecutor, to put him away for the murder of his father. We got 2 deaths. This is crazy. It coincides, so I needed to say it. And it says that why did Angela get killed off? It says the character had to die because Angela had all the information. And whatever character has all the information on our show, we usually kill them. Greg was close to having all the information, so Holly had all the information, blah, blah, blah. So I needed to mention that also. Okay, moving forward. So, Hamlet, Ophelia. Why is her death so important? It expresses the danger of reducing an individual to his or her gender, disregarding the voice of the marginalized, which is wrong. It doesn't matter what gender, what race you are. It's fucking wrong. And it goes against the Constitution, by the way. We have rights. Angel number 545. 5 is pertaining to major life changes. Spontaneity, travel, adventure, sympathy, understanding, sociability, and companionship. Compassion too. Number 6 is pertaining to making important life choices and decisions and about personal freedom. Number 4 is about willpower. Oh, wait. That was part of number 5. I don't know why that looks like a 6 there to me. That 6 is about overcoming obstacles. That's interesting. I didn't have my white out, so I scribbled it, and it looks like a 6 to me. It's weird. And a peace symbol. Crazy. Okay. Number 4, willpower, effort, traditional values, stability, solid foundations, and it's pertaining to the archangels. 545 is about your thoughts, ideas, and it prompts you to, what is this? Ideas, thoughts, and promptings you have been experiencing are an indication to prioritize and make necessary changes in order to fully align yourself with your soul mission and your life purpose. 545 is about trusting in the changes you're considering or are currently making. Trust that these changes will be of long-term benefit and will lead to new and exciting opportunities. Your angels are supporting you as you step into the new with confidence, enthusiasm, and self-belief. These changes are the right ones for you and are an important step along your spiritual and divine path, life path, and soul mission. Okay. And then we have angel number 606. 6 is pertaining to love, home, family, service to others, and selflessness. Responsibility, reliability, providing for self and others, willpower, independence, initiative, problem solving, expressing grace and gratitude. 0 represents the universal energies, the beginning of a spiritual journey, and stands for potential or for choices. Eternity, infinity, oneness, and wholeness. 606 is saying to focus less on material aspects and look more to a spiritual approach to having your wants and needs met. Simply hold faith, trust, and gratitude. This is so interesting because I was listening to a read by Intuitive Kev, and after I had written this down, after I write these things down, I get messages in from other readers right after I write this stuff. It's weird. Like Intuitive Kev, it's not weird, it's spirit. I love you guys, thank you. Intuitive Kev basically was saying that I need to meditate more for material aspects, which is basically exactly what that's saying. And I have been. Trust yourself and make the best decisions for you and your life, and be open to ideas, signs, and new opportunities that will bring your material needs to you. Keep your focus on love, light, and the spiritual aspects of life. And give any fears or concerns to your angels for healing and transmutation. Confirmation. I just got a message from DG420 LLC. She's a good reader too. Trust all you need will be provided by the universe in divine right time. It's also about your issues with your family and loved ones will be resolved to the advantage of all involved. Love comes to life when both give and receive. Recognize your capacity to affect other people's lives in positive ways. Give freely and unconditionally. Okay. And then we have, what is the law of the land? The whole body of valid law is basically the Constitution, okay? The whole body of the valid laws, statutory or otherwise existing and in force in a country or jurisdiction at a particular date. Every valid statute is the law of the land with respect to the subject matter. The Constitution is the supreme law of the land in the United States, where I reside. What does the Constitution say the law of the land is? the Constitution and the laws of the U.S., which shall be made in pursuance thereof, and all treaties made, or which shall be made, under the authority of the U.S., shall be the supreme law of the land. And the judges in every state shall be bound thereby anything in the Constitution or laws of any blah, blah, blah. The judges are also bound too. I've been telling you motherfuckers for 2 years. You're not above the law. You just enforce it. You can go to jail too for fucking not following it. And you should know better because you're fucking judges and law officials. What is the meaning of the rule of the land? The body rules, regulations, and laws that govern a country or a jurisdiction. It protects people's rights and ensures that everyone is treated fairly. The law of the land comes from the Magna Carta, which was a document created a long time ago to protect people's rights. What are the Bill of Rights? I want to talk about these because a lot of people forget about them and what they actually mean. Oh, I just saw a spirit go by. I love you. People forget about these things, especially these fucking people who are in law. Like, you should be abiding by them too. Not just prosecuting people for things that they've been killing people off and taking people's money and putting innocent people in jail for years. And it's going to come to an end. And these people are going to get their retribution. I told you that. I'm going to make sure of that. I'm going to help them with that. I'm going to help them process the pain that they had to endure, that you put them through. Sure, we signed up for all of this, but you guys went fucking beyond. The Bill of Rights are the first 10 amendments. Talks of individual rights, okay? Number 1 are about freedoms and petitions assembly. That is one of my rights that's being violated right now. Number 2 is the right to bear arms. Number 3 is quartering of soldiers. Number 4 is search and arrest. That is, I'm being violated with that one. Number 5 is rights in criminal cases. Number 6 is right to a fair trial. That one is going to pertain to me as well. And others. A lot of you tarot readers are going to be getting some retribution too. For the things that you've had to endure as well. These pertain to you as well. Some of these, like the black might pertain to some of you, but it doesn't pertain to me. You know, some of the, okay, anyway. Number 8, bail, fines, and punishment. That will pertain to us. Number 9, rights retained by the people. That will be pertaining to us. Number 10 states the rights. On December 15th, 1971 and December 15th, 1941. In 1941 it was broadcasted, and I'm going to talk about that right now. Okay. So continuing with the Bill of Rights, number 10, very important, okay? States our rights. The Bill of Rights became law on December 15th, 1791. On the 150th anniversary of that historic date, December 15th, 1941, this program was broadcast to an estimated 63 million listeners, which was almost half of the U.S. population. So some of these older motherfuckers heard this shit they heard this shit when it was broadcasted in 1941. So they know damn well what I'm talking about. The judges. It was broadcast. Don't act like you didn't know. I mean, you're upholding the law, right? You should already fucking know. Plus, you heard it. You should be ashamed of yourselves. Because I know that your fucking relatives are up there. Number 11, lawsuits against states. So 10 are violated. We are being violated. Number 11, we're being violated. Lawsuits against the states. We're going to be doing that. Number 12, president elections. 13, abolition of slavery. We might have, that one might pertain to us also, actually. Because we're still, in a sense, being slaves to them. But Spirit just had me highlight the main ones. So number 14 was civil rights. Our civil rights are being violated. Number 15 is black suffrage. Some of you, that will pertain to you. 16 is pertaining to income taxes. 17 is pertaining to senatorial elections. 18 is about prohibition of liquor. 19 is about women's suffrages. There's a lot of us women that will be filing because our rights are being violated from that amendment. Number 20, terms of office. Number 21, repeal of prohibition. Number 22, term limits for presidency. Continued, the Bill of Rights. 23, Washington, D.C. suffrage. 24, abolition of poll taxes. 25, presidential succession. 26, 18-year-old suffrage. Some of you might have to, that might pertain to some of you. Sadly. 27, congressional pay raises. But out of all of these, my rights are being violated. There are 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, and 19 are the rights of mine that are being violated. Confirmation. Your body's another way. Whenever you get itches or coughs or shit, that's another way of confirmation besides noises and stuff. So my rights are being violated, and I will pursue in the Supreme Court of Law against all involved. Okay? You can guarantee that. Pumpkin. So pumpkin is the symbolization of gratitude, generosity, harvest, and abundance. Pumpkins also represent potential, as each pumpkin seed is packed full of seeds that will go on to make even more pumpkins, right? It represents dreams also. Represents good fortune, prosperity. It's a symbol of Halloween. Halloween, we make the jack-o'-lanterns, do that trick-or-treat stuff, right? In the fall and in Thanksgiving. So it's a symbol of autumn to give thanks during Thanksgiving, right? It's pertaining to the sacral chakra. Orange is pertaining to the sacral chakra, your creativity, you know. In love, it's a term of endearment. Pumpkins are. People call it your girlfriend's, your significant. Hey, pumpkin. Hi, little pumpkin. You know? Hi, pumpkin. I say it sometimes. The biblical pumpkin story is in 2 Corinthians chapter 5, verse 17. Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, the new creation has come. The old has gone, the new is here. We created a new pumpkin by cleaning out the yucky insides, right? Carving a happy face on it for a new creation, for that jack-o'-lantern, for Halloween, right? With a joyful face, clean up all that shit out and put a joyful face on. Jesus does that to us. Yeah. Orange represents fire and lightning, like lighting, like light, God's light, and it cuts through any darkness. Black pumpkins spiritually mean darkness and death. Black represents darkness and death. Throughout history, darkness is also believed to be a time when the spirit world crosses the living. And orange represents the fire and lightning that cuts through that darkness. Okay. All right, so let's get into this reading now. Shit. Let's do this. I'm going to do a reading on Ophelia, on why her death was so important. I'm going to do about expresses the danger of reducing an individual to his or her gender, disregarding the voice of the marginalized. We're going to talk about that, the 545, the 606, the law of the land, the Bill of Rights, and the pumpkin and black pumpkin. I'm going to do a reading on all of this. Okay? All right, Lord. My spirit guides, my ascended masters, my ancient ones, my star family. I'm going to use this deck, one of my tarot decks I like to use. Alright. I love you guys so very much. Please ensure only pure and trustworthy answers from the divine come through these cards. Thank you, and so it is. Ooh. Hermit. This didn't want to go in. So, someone is lonely and thinking about this stuff. They're someone is soul searching. Hermit is a major arcana card. It's usually a Virgo. It's an earth element, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, but it's usually a Virgo. It's pertaining to 9, the number 9, which is basically a completion of something. And co-creating with some spirit, possibly, or someone. It's about a time out of looking inwards for answers, meditation, self-reflection. Someone's doing some self-reflection here. Could be a Virgo. What else do we have here? This is an obstacle position. Okay, we have a 6 of Cups here. Usually this has to do with a past lover, past family member, someone from the past here. Childhood memories here. Cups is water, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio energy. Okay. And then we have this Nine of Cups. So someone from the past is hoping for some sort of improvements here. Confirmation. We have Four of Cups. Oh, double confirmation. Reign of Omnipresence. That's another one. That's another one that you guys should check out. He's really good. I just found him. I actually need to listen to one of his other videos. I got distracted. So, someone's not getting some money. Someone's going to try and offer you some money that you're not going to want. And it could be someone from your family or from a past lover. They've been thinking about this shit too. And they don't want to do it. Their back is turned. They don't want to fucking do it. Bottom of the deck, there's Three of Cups, Celebrations card. Usually my third party card. One of my third party cards. You have the Five of Swords behind that. Someone was celebrating a little too early here. I need to clean this thing. Someone was trying to... They were celebrating a little too early here. And they're realizing that, yeah, they're realizing that they were fucked. That I'm balanced, that you're balanced with the truth. That you're balanced with the truth. So they're having obstacles. There's a lot of arguments right now because someone's really balanced. And these other two people are fucking bummed about this person being so balanced, and that person sees them for what they're doing. And all these fucking people are back here arguing. And someone wants to come in fast with some kind of news and some love. Justice is here. Justice is a major arcana card. It's an air element, usually a Libra, but it could be a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius that wants to come in. Bring some balance, some truth, some fairness. It could be a Libra. And it's associated with number 11. Which breaks down to balance, too. There's going to be a cause and effect regarding a legal issue that someone's going to win here. There's a document, and the police are finding out the truth in the matter affecting the balance, because there's an actual document that states the fucking truth. And that document's out. It's been seen. And justice is about to fucking come out. Like, for realsies. It's about to fucking come out. Yeah. Justice is about to come out here. And this air sign's curious. Like, spying. There's some kind of deception. They're looking back over their shoulder. About this offer that you're getting. Because the will's in your favor. With this Two of Pentacles, there's some sort of money confusion. Someone was juggling two situations or ideas around regarding money. Here. And someone's really looking at the male or female. There's someone that's really checking out the offer with this Page of Pentacles. Like, they're really looking at it. Like, they might be getting some message of money brought by hand to them regarding some work that they've put in. So that's the money that they've earned. They're looking at the money that they've earned that's being given to them. And with the Hanged Man here, someone's getting stronger in their self after deliberating time. Someone wants to... This Two of Wands, someone wants to take a short journey near some water, and they have the world in their fucking hands. They have the world in their hands. Someone has, with this Eight of Cups, there's money problems, and someone's turning their back and walking away knowing nothing else can be done. Because there was, yeah, with this Moon here, there was some deception. Someone was trying to could have been trying to deceive you emotionally. There's 15 things underneath this here, which is 6. So you're overcoming those obstacles. And you're seeing through the... This is really interesting. You're seeing through the bullshit because you're a fucking high priestess, honestly. But this is a moon, but did you see it almost looks like a sun? So it's been illuminated that this is just, you know, that something's not right. And you're emotionally being deceived. And you know that. Possibly by, is that a lobster or a crab? That looks like a lobster almost, which is crazy. I want to look at the lobster or crab. I don't have another thing, but if someone's wanting to work together here, there's going to be improvements, especially regarding love. And you're gonna have money coming your way, and more coming. You're gonna have a lot of money coming your way. Someone is. And it could be Nine of Cups that wants to come in because you're getting this money. But he's a liar about whatever he wants to come in and be. When a Knight of Cups are like usually very loving, emotional, romantic. Not this one. This one has, they're armored up. And they're offering a cup that has nothing in it. So they're just coming for the money. And they're hoping that you're going to fall for this. But there's the Hierophant here. God sees it all here. And so does the authorities. Government or public company. Yeah. Could mean marriage, but the authorities are seeing this. Official building or official situation. The government is seeing this for what it is. You're going to get retribution. Okay, let's get some confirmations here. Let's confirm this stuff. Actually, I'm not even going to confirm everything. I'm just going to, what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to take this Woodland Warden stack and use that. Do some Oracle. Alright, Spirit. Maybe I'll clarify with the Oracle. Clarify this Hermit with these Woodland Warden Oracle deck, please. Clarify the Hermit. Oh. This is an obstacle position. Oh, Hermit. The Beaver and the Birch. Home. Yeah, they were working on something. They were working on something here. And you have 30. They want to communicate about working on something here. Clarify the Six of Cups. This past lover, this past family member, this past person. Clarify. This is an obstacle position. Oh, you got this reversed. The Goat and Willow reversed. Overcoming obstacles. No, none of that. No overcoming obstacles here, guys. That's not going to be happening with this past person. No. Again, remember, they're offering you something that you don't want. Some kind of money you're not going to want. And we're like, excuse me? Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? Let's clarify this Nine of Cups. Okay. Clarify Nine of Cups, please. Oh. I haven't gotten this one, I don't think, before. The Quail and the Gooseberry? Anticipation. What is it? I forgot what L is. I think it's like 300, 350. I gotta have to check that out again. I forgot what the L was. Anticipation. Someone's anticipating for improvements, and they're feeling some kind of smugness, thinking that if they're going to offer you this, that you're going to take it. No. You're going to be graceful. You're going to have, with the hawk and the thistle, someone's graceful persistence. That's you. You're going to be like, no thanks. Appreciate it, but nah. That's not what's owed to me. I deserve more than that, and I won't take any dirty money, and fuck off, you dirtbags. Okay, so let's clarify this Four of Cups. This money fluctuations, being offered something you might not want. They're anticipating and hoping you're going to take this is what's going on. But they're not going to overcome this. They're not going to be able to overcome this. You got the Finch and the Peach, the romance. See? They're going to try and come in emotionally, trying to distract you. We saw that we saw that in these cards here. They're going to try and come in and be like, here, give you everything you want, or try and pull at your heartstrings in some way. And it's not going to be anything that you're going to want. Like, someone's already taken a piece of that peach. Okay? That peach is already, you can already see that seed. You know what I mean? Like, and someone's too intelligent for this shit. With the crow and the dogwood. Someone's too intelligent for this. Someone else is being patient. Yeah, someone's too intelligent and just being patient and waiting. Because they know that things are going to change and things are going to purge out for the best for them. And they're going to have a new beginning. With this trout and lily of the valley, there's going to be a purification here. There's going to be a really nice new beginning here. So just trust in the invisible here, in your spirit guides, in your ascended masters, in God. With the snail and the huckleberry, trust in their God, and your spirit guides are moving things in a way that's going to be best for you and everyone involved, through other people that are involved within this, that are on the good side of things. Okay? They're busy working. Everybody's putting that productivity in and doing their part of the job. The bee and the pomegranate is pertaining to of God, too. God, they're busy working up there, pulling strings for you. Okay. Yeah. So trust that everything's going to be okay. Whatever you do, peace out and do it from love.